Hey guys, so I'm reading the comments from last week's vlog and I just wanted to clear a couple things up. The first thing that I want to clear up is that the video was not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by the Sweat app. If you guys have been following my vlog since the beginning, you'll know that Kelsey is a friend of mine, a personal friend. So when she came out with her own program on the Sweat app, I was like, hell yeah, I want to do that. It's not sponsored. She's never asked me to post. Sweat has never asked me to post. I'm really doing it because I think Kelsey looks amazing. She inspires me, and I want to look like that. Secondly, I think I'm really responding to like basically one comment that I saw. Basically, it was like, I'm confused. The last time you uploaded, you were 180 pounds. Now you gained almost 20 pounds. Like, is this sponsored? Whatever. Basically, I uploaded a video prior to this, kind of explaining like I was in a bad place. I was drinking too much. I was binge eating, like I was feeling depressed, and I vlogged that entire week. I was on top of it, and then literally right after that vlog, I fell like right back into the same place that I was before. Yeah, I didn't explain where I was at, and I was like, well, maybe you just glazed over what was going on. Like, no, I just flat out like omitted what the truth was. So that's the truth. Like, I made a commitment to like be better, to stop drinking, to be on track, and then I fell back down. And then now I'm picking myself up again. And, you know, I feel like I'm like, oh, I hope this is not, you know, repetitive, or I keep making the same mistakes. But the only thing I can do is keep trying, and that's what I'm doing. Also, I want you guys to know this is like so personal and very, very uncomfortable for me to put out on the internet. So this was the conversation that I was avoiding having, and that's the truth. Like, that's really what's been going on and where I've been, and now you guys are 100% caught up, and I'm just gonna keep moving forward, never give up. That's the only thing you can do, and that's what I'm gonna do. What's up, guys? It's Tuesday afternoon right now. I am going downtown right now. Actually, I have to turn in my BMW. I've had this lease for a while, and I actually really love this car. Like, so many of my vlogs were right here in this car, but the lease is up, so I'm turning it back in, and then I'm gonna work out, and I need to film a video later tonight. So I got a pretty busy day ahead of me. I'm hoping that coffee is gonna pull me through. I feel like I probably, any progress I made during the week, I probably like ruined when I drank so much on Sunday, and then I ended up eating pasta. Just like completely like blew my diet. Like, why? Like, why? So I'll probably weigh in tomorrow just to see where I'm at. It's important for me too, because it helps, for me personally, it helps hold me accountable. Like, I'll get on the scale and see like, okay, well, you undid all of your hard work last week, and it's gonna be like, all right, I don't want to do that again. Sorry, I'm kind of cranky right now. Saying adios. What a babe. What's up, guys? So I literally just got back from dropping my car off, and like ran in, ate some tuna real quick, and now I'm heading to the gym, and it's almost 5 o'clock. So since I missed yesterday I was supposed to start with chest and triceps. I think I'm just gonna do cardio today because I don't have that much time. Hey. I just finished up my workout now. I feel hella tired and weak, but I do feel like I got better as the workout progressed. So I just got to keep going. And I really want to get stronger and lose weight. there are hella bugs out right now. I think they're butterflies. So I just got home from my workout. I grabbed a Starbucks because I'm gonna be editing, and I needed it. So I'm about to eat my second meal of the day. I made a Caesar salad. Looks pretty tasty, and just so like you get like a portion reference. Well, what's up guys? I am just heading to the gym now. Today I have legs and abs, and I'm excited for my workout. I'm excited to go hard in this workout. My chest and tries are really sore from yesterday, and I really think it's from like towards the end of the workout when I was feeling more confident. I really pushed myself. Like I made sure that the weights I was using were really challenging me. And so especially today with like legs and abs, I'm more confident. I'm like used to working out legs and abs, so I'm really gonna push myself today too. I had a good breakfast. I had some eggs, spinach, tomatoes, and some Gouda cheese, and then coffee with heavy cream. And yeah, I woke up feeling good today. Like for honestly probably in the first time in the past like 2 weeks where I woke up and my stomach felt flat. You know that feeling, like the skinny morning time feeling? Like I haven't felt that in a long time. Anyways, so I'm feeling good. I'm feeling motivated, and ow, I still have glue in my hair. And I'm ready to crush this workout, and wow, I need to clean this hat. Side note, I finally got the AirPods. Game changer. What was I thinking for so long trying to work out with the headphones on the string? I used to have to tuck my phone into my sports bra, and it was such a hassle. Like the AirPods are like amazing. So I just finished up my workout. I feel really good. I feel like I really pushed myself, and my legs are gonna be dying tomorrow, but I feel like I'm kind of over the hump that I've been in since I had my little setback, like mentally anyways. Like yesterday the workout was really hard. Today I got through it and I felt more confident, and it was just easier to like push myself. What I have on my mind today is how important it is to tune out the noise. And that noise could be anything. That noise could be people in your life who doubt you and criticize you. That noise could be the own doubts in your head. That noise could be actually like people who are chirping in your ear, giving their opinions about what you're doing. And it could be for anything, like not just for fitness. Maybe it's for your job. Maybe it's for a change you're working on or a goal. But it's so important to tune out that noise and focus on what you know you're capable of and your goals. And even like for me, when I'm feeling like that noise is getting in my head, I just think about the people who I believe in, who believe in me. Like I think about, oh, I'm doing this workout, and then I think about like Kelsey knows what I'm doing and she believes in me, so I should believe in me. And then I think about my friend Marissa, and I think about you guys, like my viewers who've believed in me and stuck by my side even when I wanted to give up. And like I did want to give up like so much, like on everything. But if you can just get past that point, just like work through it. Even when you feel like giving up, just work through that point. You'll get to the point where you feel better, which is like finally where I'm at now. And I feel like it took me so long to get here. And so like now I just like I can't go back to like that like fuck it place of like giving up, because it's like then you start all over again, the hard part. Like from here on out, it's not going to be as hard because I got over that first little hump, you know. So that's what I really have to do, is just like don't fall back into that bad place. definitely feel like I made it into a new threshold after pushing through. Like last week was good, and then I fell off on the weekend, and then this week I caught it before it got like too deep, and then now I'm swimming. Just keep swimming. What's up, guys? What day is it? Wow, it's Friday. Holy sh! I am headed to the gym right now. I'm so sore, my entire body. I'm just gonna do cardio today and like maybe a little butt stuff. I feel good because I've been doing what I'm supposed to do, which feels good. There are so many friggin' butterflies, it is insane. What's up, guys? I look crazy right now, but I am editing a little Instagram video. I have my coffee here. I snacked on some leftover Mexican this morning, just pretty light, like some chicken and guac, a couple pieces of shrimp, but I feel good. I am taking today off from the gym. Yeah, so with tomorrow, that'll be 5 workouts, and I'm gonna hit all of my resistance goals, so I'm good with that. I think actually last week I ended up working out 5 days a week too, which I'm totally happy with. I don't really have anything else to say right now. I need to hurry up and edit this video because I need to go get my nails done because I have, you know, those events tomorrow. And look at my nails, y'all. Not cute. Hey guys, I just got home from getting my nails done, and then I went shopping to try and find an outfit for tomorrow. Fucking depressing. None of the pants that I tried on fit me. Whatever. I did find some fucking stretchy pants. I'm gonna put them with whatever I have tomorrow. I'm gonna make it work. Okay. Now I'm gonna get back to editing my my little Instagram video, and then probably just gonna chill tonight. Nothing major. It is Monday night. I have like no makeup on right now. I'm actually proud of myself because I did go out last night and drink a fair amount, but I did not blow my diet, and I did act like a civilized human being. So you know what we call that? Over here, we're calling that progress. I'm about to go grab some dinner right now. For pretty much all I've had today was a tuna salad with some Caesar dressing, and then some cheese crisps, a little bit of tomatoes, and then I've been snacking on a bunch of raspberries all day too. But we're doing good. We are on the right track. We're on the fit train. We have boarded. The train has left the station. It's not there yet, but it's moving.